This is a simple and fast review of the Domyfan 15.6-inch triple monitor screen extender. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, you'll find a couple setup guides that you can utilize. And this, well, it looks like it's kind of packed nicely, so we'll first get this out and show you kind of how it comes together. It's very safely packed in, has a little carrying case for it, and then and to be clear, while I pull that aside, this is pretty solid. It's got a little pocket, but this is kind of hard. It's not something that can bend or anything like that, so be aware of that. And then on the bottom here, you'll find a bunch of cords. Let's get these out real quick just so you can see what they look like. Sorry. So you'll have your power plug. That's a USB-C entrance for power. And then you'll have a couple different cords. This is a USB-A. USB-A power, USB-A to USB-C cord. You'll have a couple Type-C 1 and 2, and ideally what you're doing is plugging in stuff. This is another one. It'll kind of guide you on how to do this properly. This one's going to be C1, again C2, although this is an HDMI, so hold on. So we have an HDMI cable, and all right, so I guess this is only for video. So these are going to be powered, these are going to be video, and there's going to be two HDMI to USB-Cs that will be video only, so be aware of that as far as how you are connecting. And sorry, I'm not. So you'll need the HDMI for connecting on those. So there's all your cables, and then they'll kind of be organized into spaces there. And now let's take a look at the actual monitors before we go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to just bear with me here. It does come kind of wrapped up. And it will open up to the side here. You'll need to remove these. This is actually the bottom here. So you'll need to remove the little screen covers that are there. And then of course this will be on the base and separate as needed to get around. And you'll have some rubberized portions for the back of it. And again, we'll just show you this all when it's kind of connected. On the back, you'll have a stand, which allows it to kind of rest behind the laptop. And then you'll have your USB-C connections. So type 1, type 2, power, and then a power like button, and a little way to kind of move around and read your instructions. This will be kind of your menu, scroll and stuff like that, and your power. So we'll go ahead and get it connected and show you what it looks like. All right, so first thing I want to show you is that obviously it's a 3-screen piece. So I've kind of set it up so that the main screen right here is just kind of the main screen. But if I want to just drag and drop, I just want to show you that it does slide right in. Oops, I kind of lost that there. And can go right in here. So the screen itself, the third screen and the second screen are just really high quality. So they look great. Now I've got a setup that you may or may not want to use. I've got an HDMI and a USB-C. They both go into the back as USB-C plugs. But what I've actually got is a little portable charger for the power rather than plugging it in or anything like that. That may be a more realistic thing, especially if you're going to like a coffee shop or whatever. If you're sitting in your office, yeah, plugging in with power is going to obviously be an easy solution. But for me, this is just a very simple process where I just plug in a power bank and it powers everything. As you can see, this thing just looks great, perfectly fit. That's my background changing there. But I'm really, really impressed with this. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.